We talk a lot about how smart AI has become, but here's the real question. When do you actually know you can trust an AI's answer? Because it's not enough that an answer sounds correct, it's not enough that it's well written, and it's definitely not enough once AI moves into real workflows and has to make real decisions and real automation. That's where most people get this wrong. Most people use AI, for example, ChatGPT, they use it like, oh, give me an answer to this or that, write me this text, analyze this. Then they copy, paste, and move on. But when AI shifts from a fun experiment to a real working tool, to something that influences businesses, customers, or decisions, a problem appears. Who is validating the output? AI doesn't automatically know if something is reasonable, if something is wrong, or if it just sounds convincing without a control step. AI is just a very fast guessing machine. But this is where output evaluation comes in. Think of it as a bridge between it kind of works and this is ready to be used. Output evaluation isn't about distrusting AI, it's about designing trust into the system. If this is useful so far, like the video and subscribe. It helps me much more than you think. Anyways, where were we? Simply put, output evaluation, it's reviewing an AI's response and deciding, is this good enough or does it need fixing? It's the same thing we already do with people, but now we need to do it systematically with AI. Output evaluation is the process of reviewing AI-generated content before it's used, shared, or used for decision making. This review can be done by a human, the AI itself, another module, rules, checklists, or structured rubrics. A good evaluation asks questions like, is this factually correct, or does it just sound confident? Does it actually answer the question or drift away? Are important parts missing? Is the structure clear enough to use immediately? Did it follow instructions, constraints, and formats? Is there a risk for hallucinations or unsupported claims? When you do this consistently, something important happens. AI stops being a creative generator and becomes a reliable component inside the system. And you'll hear much more and more of these terms: output evaluation, error detection, consistency checks, confidence scoring, verification loops. This is the same mindset used in software testing, applied to intelligence instead of code. Let's make this more concrete. Imagine AI writes a customer email or summarizes a meeting, analyzes data, suggests a decision instead of just using the output. You do this prompt. Evaluate the response below for correctness, completeness, and clarity. List any issues you find. Then rewrite and fix the problems without changing the tone. This forces it to switch role from creator to evaluator. It often reduces dramatically errors by 50 to 80%. And this is an underrated technique used in AI. Don't just ask AI basically, give me an answer. Also ask, evaluate your own answer and improve it. This single shift, it changes the system basically, and it's often the one thing that goes from, wow, this is just a cool prompt, to, hey, this saved me hours or weeks. In the future, the most valuable AI users won't be the ones who write the fanciest prompts. They'll be the ones who know when AI is wrong, know how to test output, and know when a human must step in. Output evaluation, it's not just an extra step. It's a step that makes AI truly usable. If you want to understand AI surface level based prompt, subscribe to the channel. This series builds step by step. Thank you, man. Peace out.